The car has been sitting for over a year. We tried to start it, it didn't start. So the first thing we did is to check if fuel was going inside the engine. And after seeing that the fuel wasn't going inside the engine, we had to check the fuel pump. The fuel pump is located under the back seats, so we had to remove those. There are two clips under the seats. We pull them and the seats can lift. After we lift the seats up, we can see a black metal plate, and the fuel pump is located underneath that metal plate. There are 4 screws that we have to remove, as we see in the video. It was very dirty, so we tried to clean it a little. When we lift it up, we don't have any dirt particles go inside the tank. There is a small hose that you have to use a pair of pliers, pull the clip and pull that small hose, and the screw that you can see in the video as well. And also you have to remove that electrical white connector. It's very important to unclip that and remove it. So here's the deal. If you try to pull out the fuel pump without taking out the fuel tank, you risk snapping the hose. And trust me, you don't want that mess on your hands. So the solution is that you have to drop the fuel tank first, and that's without any shortcuts. Once the tank's out, the fuel pump is right there. No fuss, no snapped hoses. And remember, that's not a tip, it's a must do for a clean, safe and easy job. Well, it's not easy, but it's easier. So now the fuel pump is removed, and we're gonna try and clean it a little and see if it works. After we give it a few taps with the hammer, we connect it with a 12-volt battery, try it and see if it works. But unfortunately, it looks like the pump is completely dead, and that's the reason the car didn't start. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for the fuel tank removal.